So guys, the first website I'm going to use to make money by simply watching videos is called Pico Workers. That is picoworkers.com. Don't worry, I'll leave a link that in the description. So all you need to do is to click on the link in the description and you'll be brought to a page like this. So once you're on this page, what you want to do is to click on sign up right here. Once you hit the sign up button, you fill in your details, and after that confirm your account, confirm your email address, then your account will be created. Then you'll be brought to a page like this. This is inside your dashboard. This is what your dashboard will look like once you're inside Pico Workers. Once you're inside your Pico Workers account. Pico Workers is more like Fiverr and Upwork, where you perform little tasks and in return you get paid. In this website you can take paid surveys, sign up to websites and all that. But since our main focus in this video is how to make money by simply watching videos, so once you're on your dashboard, all you want to do is to go over to the search bar right here. So what you do is to go over to the search bar right here and search for video. Type video, then you hit enter and you allow it to load. As you can see right here, this is a video ad that you can watch and in turn get paid. So all you need to do is to click on the video. All you need to do is to click on the video and you watch the video and in return you get paid. There are lots of, once you're done with that, all you need to do next is to click on load more jobs and you see more jobs. It's more like tasks that you can complete, and after that you get paid. So right now let's go over to our next website. The second website on our list today is called Creations Reward. That is creationsreward.net. Also, I'll leave a link to that in the description. So all you need to do is to click on the link in the description and you go to a page like this. Earn free gift cards and cash. So right in this website you earn free gift card and cash. As you can see right here, in this website you get paid for taking paid surveys, for watching videos, for visiting websites, for shopping online, for completing special offers, and for referring friends and family. So all you need to do once you're on this website is to click on register right here. So go over to the right, go to the up right here and click on register right, or you can simply click on sign up now. And once you click on sign up now, as you can see right here, you ask to enter your email address, then you choose a unique password right here. Once you've entered your unique password, you verify your password, then you choose your country, then you hit I'm not a robot, then you click on the sign up right here. But the only downside of this website is that it's only available in top world countries. As you can see right here, it's only available in top world countries like United States, Canada, United Kingdom and Australia, and you get paid through PayPal. But if you're not from these countries, don't worry, stick with me as I show you two more websites that are available worldwide. The third website on our list today is called Timebox. That is timebox.com. And as usual, I'll leave a link that in the description. So when you click on the link in the description, you take into the sign up page when you create your account. So this is what your dashboard will look like once you've created an account on Timebox. As you can see right here, Timebox is more like Pico Workers. You also get paid for performing little tasks. As you can see right, since our main focus on this video is how to watch videos, is how to make money by simply watching videos. So all you need to do is to go over to the three-line menu on right here. You go over to this three-line menu, you click on it, then you scroll down to end right here, and also you click on it. As you can see right here, so when you want you on this page like this, you go over to content right here, then you click on content right here, then you scroll down till you see video right here. Once you scroll down there, you see a video right here. You see a video icon, more like just like search and all that. You see a video right here, but currently I think there's no video right here, hence you're not seeing any video right here. But hopefully when you come onto this website, you see a video and you redirected to a page where you'll be able to watch those videos and return get paid. So guys, the last and final website on our list today is called Coinbase. That is coinbase.com. And as usual, I'll leave a link that in the description. So this website is basically a cryptocurrency market where you buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Well, good thing about this website is that I'm going to show you a method that you can use to watch free courses on Coinbase, and in return you get paid. And the good thing about it is that these are actual real courses and you can learn something from, and in return you get paid. So what you need to do once you enter the website, click on get started right here, then you create an account free. As you can see right here, these are free courses that you can take and also let's learn something from, and in return you get paid. As you can see right here. So what you need to do is watch these video courses for a few minutes and you get paid. As you can see, these are the amounts that you can make by simply watching these courses, and in return you get paid. Please don't forget to leave a like to this video, and also if you know you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, please consider